Did I ask you to turn on camera? You people will just be overdoing things. Did I ask you to turn on camera? Who asked you to turn on camera?
I'm sorry.
What's your name? Where are you streaming from?
My name is Baby. I'm streaming from UK.
Your name is Baby. Is Baby what your parents gave you from birth?
Yes.
Baby is what your parents gave you from birth.
Yes.
No problem. You're streaming from the UK. What can I do for you?
So I've been dating this guy for some time now, and I just introduced him to my family recently. And like, he came to my house, he met my mom. We had lunch, everything was nice. And then after some time, like, my mom will be asking me, when are you bringing your boyfriend again, you know? But I thought maybe it's just because maybe he likes him for me. Okay, everything was fine. Everything
Your mom is a man.
Okay. Sorry?
Is your mom a man?
No.
You said maybe he likes him. Maybe he likes him, or maybe she likes him.
Oh, sorry. Maybe she likes him for me, of course.
Okay.
And then everything has been going okay with me, my partner, and my mom. But recently, I don't know what I was doing on my mom's phone. I touched her phone and I was sending something. I don't remember. But I saw my boyfriend's name in my mom's number, in my mom's WhatsApp. When I got there, I opened the chat and I found out that my mom is busy sending nudes to my boyfriend. They've been chatting. She's been saying, "Oh, my son, you should come," and all of that. So I don't know what my mom is doing. When I talk to my boyfriend, he doesn't say anything. He hasn't said anything. And whenever I invite him, because my mom will ask, can your boyfriend come over? When is he seeing us again? But my boyfriend would just say no, or he will just say he's busy and stuff like that. And I think how my mom got my boyfriend's number, there was this time, like, I would use my boyfriend's phone to call my mom if my battery is dead or something. So I'm really stuck because now I don't know, like, so why would my mom be sending...
Who initiates the conversation between your mom and your boyfriend?
It's my mom. My mom is the one.
And your boyfriend did not tell you when your mom initiated the conversation?
No, my boyfriend didn't tell me anything.
Turn off your camera. Turn it off.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
So your boyfriend did not tell your mom when your boyfriend did not tell your mom. Your boyfriend did not tell you.
No.
When the whole thing started, and your boyfriend has been busy receiving notes from your mom.
Yes, my mom will, like, in the caption, like, she will send pictures, like, with her wearing lingerie, and she will write on the picture, like, can you see what you're missing? This is what you should be getting, and all of that. And I don't know. My boyfriend did not tell me.
So after you see those things, did you confront your boyfriend?
I didn't confront him. I'm still scared. Like, this thing happened yesterday. I just saw my mom's phone.
What are you waiting for?
I don't know. Like, what if I don't know. This is my mom, you know?
Did you see it in your mom's phone that is sending it to your boyfriend? Did you confirm that the number is for your boyfriend?
That is my boyfriend's phone. That is his profile picture. There's me and him in the profile picture.
Did you see your boyfriend's number saved there? Good.
Yes, it's saved there.
Good. Did you confront your mom? Where's your mom at the moment? Your mom is in London with you?
Yeah, she's like 1 hour away. She's at her house. I'm at my house.
Your boyfriend, you and your boyfriend live together?
No, he lives in England.
Okay, so why are you coming here to talk instead of you to be confronting your boyfriend and your mom?
That's when you come in, because I'm confused. I'm scared at this point.
Go
I don't
and
know
call your boyfriend for receiving notes from your mom without telling you, and confront your mom for doing such a thing to you. And lastly, stay away from these two people. I don't care if it's your mom, I don't care if it's your boyfriend. Stay away from there. Your mom can kill you. Simple as ABCD.
Osiam.
Your mom, if this story is true, your mom can kill you. Simple as ABCD. If your mom can take your boyfriend and be sending notes to your boyfriend, she can kill you because of a man. She will do it. But I don't know how true the story is. But if it's true, go and confront your mom.
Very true. I'm not joking. It's very true.
Okay, then leave the person. Go and confront her instead of you to be busy.
Instead
of you to be busy. Instead of you to be busy sending me, you are arguing. This is the problem. You came for therapy and I'm talking, you are talking. You don't have respect.
Sorry, sir.
I'm talking, you are talking.
Sorry, sir.
Instead of you to be busy sending me money, gone to calm yourself, sending me future encounter, sending me TikTok universe. You are busy thinking about your mom and your boyfriend. Leave two of them alone. Let them go and date themselves. Focus on your life. Move on.
Yeah.
Move on. If you can't confront them, focus on your life and move on. Simple as ABCD. Were you not here when I was telling you how to find out? You will be on the comment section and be doing as if you are wise. If you are wise, why don't you go and open your own therapy life? Go to your life and open your own and be advising people. Nonsense. Go and meet your mom, confront your mom and confront your boyfriend. Number one, if your mom is collecting notes, sending notes to your boyfriend, number one, if your mom is sending notes to your boyfriend, one, she messed up. She's not supposed to be your mother. Go and do DNA test. You are laughing. This is serious. You said it's a serious story. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you the truth. Like, how am I gonna confront an elderly person? Like, okay, she's not elderly. Like, I'm 31. My mom is 48. You know? So, but I hear you. I hear you, sir.
So you can't confront your mom?
I'm scared.
Then leave it. Why are you here? If you can't confront your mom, why are you here? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry.
If you don't want to confront your mom, what are you doing here? I've told you the only way for you to get out of this thing is to confront your mom and confront your boyfriend. Simple as ABCD. What are you doing here?
Okay. I'll do that.
My friend, go and send me one TikTok universe, Joe.
Okay, I'll recharge now.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
So, any mother that decides to be stupid, any mother that decides to be foolish, you leave them alone. She's not supposed to be your mom. Any mom that do such a thing, she's not supposed to be your mother. You're supposed to avoid her. You think you can't disown your mother? You disown her. For the fact that she gave birth to you does not mean she will misbehave. She have lived her life alone. She have lived her life and she want to mess up your own. You will disown her. You are too emotional. That's the problem with this life. You are too emotional. You are just too emotional with things. Oh, she's my mother. What can I do? Your mother is destroying you. She's my mother. She's destroying your future. She's destroying your life. And you are saying she's my mother. Rubbish. I will cut her off. I will go and search my video because you are family. I will cut you. I will cut you off for my life. If you misbehave, if you plan to destroy my future, I will cut you off. Whether you are my mother, whether you are my father, I don't care. What's your name? Where are you streaming from?
Hi, good evening. NG from London.
Thank you for coming. What can I do for you today?
Okay, so
I know you. Don't think I don't know you. I know you very well. Don't think I don't know you. But go ahead. Let me hear what you want to say today.
Okay. Sorry, I won't be laughing. Okay, so basically, right? So there's an issue on Gram between two friends. So one of them
there's an issue on ground between two friends. How is that my business?
No, you're a therapist now. Wait, let me finish explaining.
No, tell me there's an issue on ground between two friends. Those two friends, they don't have money.
No, hold on.
Answer my question. You came to a therapist. I'm asking you, answering.
Oh, sorry. Okay, what's the
Rubbish.
question? Sorry.
Are they rich? Do they have money?
One of them does, yeah.
Okay, so what's my business with rich people? When rich people are fighting, I try to avoid them because I'm not rich.
Wait, now.
I am not rich. I don't have money. How can I fight? How can I settle quarrel between two rich people?
It's not really a quarrel, but it's just. Wait, okay, can I explain it to you?
Explain what they have an argument or they have a disagreement.
No, it's not. Wait,
you are bringing rich people business to me. Me that don't have.
Okay, they're not rich. They're not rich. They're middle class.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Okay, so basically, one of them was pregnant and she did not tell her friend, right? So she kept the pregnancy a secret, but she's now had the baby. She's now had the baby and she told her friend. So her friend is like, how can we be friends when you never told me that we were pregnant? Do you think it's a bad thing that she did not share? I personally don't think it's a bad thing, but I just feel like you shouldn't be posting about it that, oh, I was pregnant for 9 months and my bestie did not know. Do you understand? Because it's now like you did it on purpose and you're like embarrassing her. So do you think it's a bad thing that she did not tell her friend that she was pregnant this whole time and just waited till she had the baby?
So I want to ask you now.
Yeah.
So because I'm your friend, I have to tell you everything that happened in my life. I have to tell you that I'm pregnant. I have to tell you that I'm traveling. I have to tell you that I want to poo-poo. I have to tell you that I want to sleep. So because you are my friend.
You're best friend.
I always tell people something. One thing you should
Yeah,
avoid in life is create boundaries. Even if you are my friend, I will create boundaries. No, it's not everything I will tell you. You don't need to know everything about my life. If I create boundaries with you, I don't tell you anything. I don't tell you everything and you get angry. Get the fuck out of my life. Must I tell you everything? I must not tell you everything. If she's mad, let her be mad. Let her be mad. You both should give her stone to go and cook and get busy. She's not busy with her life. You want to know what is going on in somebody's life. Look, I always tell people, if you call me, because I don't have friends.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't have. If you choose to tell me what is happening in your life, it's because you choose to tell me.
Yeah.
Don't expect to tell me what is happening in your life and you expect me to do the same. I'm not going to do it. I'm sorry.
How can she call the other girl her best friend? It's not like it's just a friend. This is supposed to be your best friend. You didn't tell her something like
Supposed to. That one I've told her now that you are not my best friend. Please, even if you are my best friend, must I tell you everything that is happening in my life? Oh, I'm pregnant. You're supposed to be happy. Congratulations. That's it. Chicken. Now, what are we fighting for? What do you want to know when I'm pregnant? Oh, you want to come and spoil the pregnancy? Is that your plan? Because your plan did not work, that's why you're upset. You are using friend to come and cover it up.
They're both of them are on this live. I'm just,
I don't care both of them. They should be listening to me right now. So because one of you are not happy, it's not happy that the other one did not tell you she's pregnant. So you want to spoil the pregnancy. If you are listening to me, you're a bad friend. So you want to go and spoil the pregnancy. You want to go and spoil it. Rubbish. She did not tell you. She did not tell you. Now that she tell you, be happy. Rihanna, thank you so much. God bless you. Now that she tell you, be happy. Be happy for her. That's all I have to tell you. Please don't bring people issue here again. You are bringing too fighting to me. I don't like it. Bring your own personal issue. Don't be bringing too fighting. These people are rich. They have money.
I don't have issue.
They have money. At least they have money in their account. Do I have shishi in my account? No. I'm here giving free therapy. You think if I have money, I'll be giving free therapy? Thank you for coming. God bless you.
God
Rihanna, thank you so much. God bless you. What can I do for you today?
Hello. There's an issue on ground and it's between the father and the son. So the son was forsaken by the father. Why?
I want to ask you a question. How does this concern me between the issue of a father and the son? How does it concern me?
I just need an advice from you.
Is these people your family members?
No.
Huh? They are not your family members. Are they related to you?
No.
They are not related to you. And you come here to be bringing issue that does not concern you. How is this issue now your concern? How is it your concern? Between a father and a mother and a daughter. How is it now your concern? This is the problem with Africans. Tafia, you will be putting mouth in issue that does not concern you. They are not if they're your family members, you can go ahead. But two fighting between a father and the son, what do you want me to do? Father and the son. Tafia, you will just be talking, you people will just be jumping into conclusion. You want to talk about everything. If you don't have therapy, you go and sit down in one corner. Rubbish. You don't be putting out in what does not concern you. Issue that does not concern you, be putting out. You be putting out. This is not your family members. It's not your family problem. You want to put mouth in what does not concern you. Now, Sesika Buhehe. Why are you laughing? Does this look like a comedy show?
Not at all, my brother. I'm just laughing.
So why are you laughing? What is funny here now that you are laughing? What did I do? Does it look like I'm laughing? Did you see me smiling?
You didn't allow the other girl finish talking, and that's why it was hilarious.
My friend, what's your name? Where are you streaming from?
Oh, my name is Benjamin. I'm streaming from Lagos. Yeah.
I haven't thought you are streaming from America with the kind of phone that you came with. So you are streaming in this.
I just got back, bro. So you calm down.
Oh, so you're this. Oh, yeah, those people. I just got back. So you want to start to be sleeping with people's girlfriend? That's your plan. You want to start to be sleeping with people's girlfriend? I just got back. Abi, you are those kind of people. Bro, I just got back. You want to use for net to be sleeping with people's girlfriend? Tell the truth. How many girls have you slept with?
I mean, I've not started anything yet, though. But yeah.
Oh, but you still have mission. You still have mission.
I don't know.
I put it to December, you that until you leave Nigeria, your bola will not work. Until you leave Nigeria, your bola will not work. I put it to you. When you want to catch any girl, anybody's wife, anybody's girlfriend,
I thought you're a
it will not
therapist
stand.
and not a pastor. I thought you're a therapist now, not a pastor.
What do you want me to do for you?
Yeah, I'm having a dilemma right now. This is something really personal, right? I'm pretty much single right now, and I have two ladies in my life. One is well educated.
You see what I'm saying? You see?
Calm down. Popa, calm down.
You see what I'm saying?
Popa, calm
People
down.
gather around, though. People gather around. Come and see. You see what I'm saying? They have come. You have two girlfriends. What are you doing with two girlfriends? I just got back.
Two female friends. Hey, bro, let me finish. I think it's a very interesting story, yeah? And I know you can advise me because probably
I don't allow cheating. Cheating is very wrong. I don't allow it. I don't smile when I hear cheating. I don't smile at it.
Okay. Yes,
but go ahead, let me hear your story. But first thing I want to tell you, and an Ashawo. That's the first thing I want to tell you. But go ahead. Ashawo boy.
Okay.
Nonsense.
So yes, sir. So two ladies, they are very, very good friends of mine, and yeah, I'm in the point where I need to settle down, whatnot, yeah. So the first one is very educated, well established, and yeah, definitely 9 to 5 and whatnot. The second one is not that educated, and she's still trying to find her feet, but she's well cultured, well mannered, and I'm not sure which to go for. The one that is a career based woman, and she's kind of successful, yeah, but then she doesn't have that cultural norm to her. She's not really cultured like that. She's just like a work kind of lady. And the other one is really cultural and whatnot. And, this is someone I want to live the rest of my life with. So I'm having issues actually picking right now. And I was like, just tell me your own point of view from your experience and whatnot.
You are having problem trying to pick from two ladies. You see, this is a problem with in this world. This is a problem. I always say this thing to people. You pick a partner. Look, as a man that you are, your job is to get a house. The job of a woman is to make it a home. You can't make your house a home except a woman is there. Your house is not called a home except you have a good woman. Another thing, how far you go in life, yeah, depend on the kind of woman you marry. So the choice is yours, my brother. You alone know the character of these two people. You alone know the one that will be a good mother. You alone have seen them. You know the ones that, okay, this one is a good mother. This one is not a good mother. This one can keep a home. This one cannot keep a home. If I have $200, for example, what would this one say I should do? What would this one say I should do? Who is more expensive for me? I don't fancy expensive women. I'm sorry. Even if I become billionaire, I don't fancy expensive women. I don't fancy them. There are so many men who are going out there for high class. High class. Where does it end you? So the choice is yours. You either pick the one that will build a better home for you. That's all I have to say for today. God bless you. Go back to my. You see where I'm pointing.
Yes.
You see where I'm pointing. If you disgrace me here, you have disgraced my home. Go back there. Go and bastardize my life goal. Go and finish it with something. It's not only woman you be spending money on. Spend money on me.
Yes,
you just go back.
Yes, sir. I will do.
Go and spend money on me, Joe.
I will definitely do just that. Thank you very much.
TikTok universe. Thank you. I don't know, all of you that is in the comment section that is saying I should smile. I don't know what you want to use my smile to do. If it's going to put money in your bank account, I don't know. You are saying smile. Am I not smiling? Is this not smile? How else do you want somebody to smile again? Is this not smile? Rubbish. What's your name? Where are you streaming from?
Good evening, Papa. Good evening, sir.
You like his voice. Of course. Why will you not like his voice? Ashawo. You like his voice. Why will you not like his voice? Because he tell you he just got back. You want to go and mark him and collect money. He will not give you. Thief. Rubbish. He will not give you anything. I put it to you that he will not give you nothing. He will give you nothing. Thank you, my love. God bless you. Thank you so much. What's your name? Where are you streaming from?
Good evening, sir. I'm streaming from Lagos. And before I will tell you what exactly brought me here, I want to commend you for the good work you have been doing. And
my friend, go straight to the point. Leave the commentation or whatever you call it. Leave the commenting or the commentation. Leave it alone. That's not the thing. I'm doing free therapy. Go straight to the point. Don't comment me.
My name is AK Afoko Jakpatawa. Now, I'm happy to be here, but I need a therapy concerning my business and also my relationship. Can I move on?
If you want to talk, talk. If you don't want to talk, leave this place. If you want to talk, go ahead and talk. If you don't want to talk, my friend, leave this place.
That's what you do. Now Google kill your papa. You do the cats. Or Google kill you with a man. How you tell me you the cats? You have the photos. Now you the cats. No mind me. No be me. I'm just come back.
Let me put it to you. I put it to you. I swear today you will be unfortunate. I swear.
Are you gay? Are you gay? You
I swear you will be unfortunate.
You look like gay. God go punish you. Say you look like gay. God go punish you. You look like gay. See your mouth like nyash.
I don't blame you. Come here to be disrespecting your elders. Stupid boy. Nonsense. I don't blame him. It's not his fault. It's me that bring him up. Uncircumcised Wi-Fi. Tonigaristic. I don't blame him. He's very stupid. What's your name? Where are you streaming from?
Papa.
What's your name? Where are you streaming from? You are shouting Papa. Are you the one that gave me that name? What's your name? Where are you streaming from? You are shouting papa. You don't know how to greet when you enter somebody's office.
I'm
Rubbish.
sorry. I'm sorry. This is NG for short, okay? And I'm
So your name
streaming
is
from.
Angie for short. That's your
I said
first name and your last
NG.
name.
I
Your
said
last name is for
NG.
short.
I said NG for short. And I'm streaming
Where are
from
you streaming from?
Lagos.
Thank you for coming. What
I
can
am
I do for you
streaming.
today?
I enjoy your therapy session a whole lot. The essence of me coming here most times is to kill my boredom, and when I'm happy, when I'm unhappy, I come here. At least you lighten up my day. You make me laugh and forget my sorrows.
So this look like a comedy show to you.
No,
So I know,
not
no,
at all.
hold on. I want to be calm because as I'm talking to you, I don't want to insult you. I don't want to insult you. I want to be calm. So this look like a comedy show to you. You didn't read the free therapy session. All these things you are
Not
saying,
at
you
all.
can't say, you can't say it on the comment section. You can't say it on the comment section. You have to come upstairs
Okay.
to waste my time.
I'm sorry. I'm
What have
sorry.
you done now? What have you done now to encourage this life? Nothing. What have you sent?
Oh,
What have you
I
done?
was
Oh,
saying.
I enjoyed this show. When you go to a comedy, okay, let's agree that it's a comedy show. Let's agree. Maybe when you're going to a comedy show, is comedy show free? Is it free? You won't go there and pay
Okay,
money.
drop your answer. Drop your answer. Let me hit your
How much do you
account
want
right
to send?
now.
How much do you want to send?
It doesn't matter. Do I have to? You want me to announce
How
it
much do you
openly?
want to send? How much do you want to send? If you are saying drop your answer, you must tell me how much you want to send, and you must be here and you will send the money first so that we can confirm it. All of us
And
here
then
will confirm it.
you want to show it to the public? No, now.
Yes, I don't
No,
do
now
secret
things are not.
things. If you know you don't want to do anything,
Oh my
leave this
God.
place.
Okay. All right. No problem. Thank you. I'll reach you. I'll reach out to you shortly.
My friend, leave this place immediately. You're coming here to waste my time. Drop your answer. Access Bank. What's your name? Where are you streaming from? What is your name? Where are you streaming from? If you don't want to be unfortunate, better talk. Rubbish boy. What is your name? Where are you streaming from? You see the way people come here. You see the way people come here to make fun.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening will destroy your head there. You will not leave me alone. This boy. Good evening will destroy you. Ogun will kill you. Wherever you are, Ogun will kill you. Ogun will strike you. In Jesus' name.
December don't dey
Amen.
reach o. I want December for you. Calm down.
Wherever you are, Ogun will kill you in Jesus. You are a scammer. I put it
I
to you.
want
that
do
EFCC will
December
catch
for
you.
you. I want do
EFCC
December
will
for
catch you
you.
very soon. I put it to you. You must be very stupid. EFCC will
Na
catch
me
you.
and you
Bet
dey
me.
go catch. Na me and you.
Bet
I
me.
want do
You are
December
putting a
for you,
woman's
Joe.
picture on your profile.
Na my
Your
wife.
your
Is
wife
my
will
wife,
destroy your
Joe?
head. She will kill you. Bet me. She will
Calm
poison your
down.
food and
I
you
want
will
do
die.
Christmas food for
Idiot.
you. Hold on. Calm down, Joe. We'll talk. You na senior man na. I no suppose dey para like this. Na my wife be that. I be like her. I may go toast her. How your side now? Good evening, sir. Answer me first.
What do you want? And leave this place. Happily, what do
I
you
need
want?
therapy.
Therapy for
I
what?
need therapy.
Is it every day you have problem? Stupid boy. Nonsense. Failed power bank. Nash hole.
Oh, Papa, I'm so sorry the way I react the other time. I never meant to. I'm so sorry, please.
My friend, leave this place.
I know the
I'm so
comments were just like
I'm
it,
so
and you were just
sorry.
Leave
enjoying
this
it.
place.
And you kept doing
Rubbish
it.
boy.
I say, if you want to know who I am, come to Abuja first. It's like, who you be? Are you wicked? Are you in the mood? I said, no worry, come Abuja first. He was not talking. I'm stupid. You're very useless. Hey,
Exactly. Because you are very stupid. Idiot.
You're very stupid.
You must be very stupid. You are
Why are you
unfortunate.
talking? Why are you talking to people anyhow on your
You
life?
are
Why?
unfortunate somebody. Nonsense boy.